Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk upload the products into WooCommerce using a CSV file. So first of all, you will have to come into the WP admin or the dashboard of your WooCommerce account. Then you need to hover over to the left hand section and you need to go to products. Now here right next to products, once you see this type of list, you need to click on the option that says all products. Now, once you are in the all products section, you will see a bunch of different demo products. So here, in order to add a new product, simply click on the option of add new product. Then you will be landed on the next page where you will see the import option. Sometimes you can also see the import option over here. So simply click on the import option. Now, after clicking on import, it will ask you how do you want to import your products. So basically you can just choose a CSV file. So click on the choose file option and from your desktop you just have to choose your file. Then on the next page you just have to simply do the column mapping. So you need to map the CSV columns to the correct WooCommerce field. In the third step, you need to just simply run the importer and wait for the process to finish. Now, once it is done successfully, all of your products will be start to appear in your store automatically. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.